Golden Bay is a home for backpackers and campers in New Zealand. It's a good destination for visiting beautiful beaches during the summer. One of the best experiences we had is the salmon fishing in Anatoki Salmon Farm. It's literally a farm where salmon fishes are grown for people to catch them.
Hi, Teacher
Hello! Smoked salmon. Catch your own food.
It is one of the well-known tourist destinations here in Golden Bay.
Hey guys, good day. We are here at Anatoki Salmon Farm and we are here to get some fish, and of course they will also allow that catch to be cooked fresh on their cafe. So come with us and let's go and catch some salmon. Look at this amazing place. This is actually a man-made pond for salmons. There are some ponds on the front where the small salmon fish is being nurtured, and when they are big enough, they will put it here on the big pond where they are allowed to be catched.
Big one. Oh, it's a big one. Okay, go.
Oh, we got a big one.
Anatoki Salmon Farm is located in Takaka, New Zealand. Fishing in the farm is free. They even let you borrow a fishing rod, a net, and a storage for your catches. You just have to pay for the catch per kilogram, and they charge extra $5 if you want it to be cooked. The water in Anatoki comes from the river beside it, and the water is crystal clear.
Good? Alright. Good job. Good job, Boogie. Okay.
It was a really nice experience as everyone enjoyed catching their own salmons, especially the kids. After a few minutes, we were able to catch 3 different sizes, and now it's time for lunch.
Let's return this one.
Here's our catch.
You may request your salmon to be prepared in 2 different ways. One is the sashimi and the other is the smoked or grilled. We have actually waited for around 2 hours for a fish to be served, considered there's a bunch of people waiting in line. After waiting for a while, it's time to eat. The sashimi tastes really good since the salmon is so fresh. The smoked salmon is something else. It's so flavorful and it tastes really good. Overall, for me, it's really worth the wait. Our next stop is the Golden Bay Holiday Park. If you love camping, this is quite a good place to camp. The holiday park is a powered camp, so you don't have to worry about the electricity. There's a mobile signal as well, but of course, the best experience is to enjoy each other's company. The holiday park have a shared amenities such as shower rooms, toilets, kitchen, and a dining area. Right, so as you can see, there is a beach just nearby the camping site, and there are some amenities nearby as well. It's nearby the beach, about 5 minutes away from the campsite, so if you would like to go for a dip, it's just a few steps away. After spending the night at the holiday park, our next stop is the Wairariki Beach. You may be familiar with this picture, right? Of course, that's because it's the Windows 10 default wallpaper. The Wairariki Beach is one of the destinations for tourists and one of the scenic locations in New Zealand. It's known for its unique rock formations and the breathtaking view behind the mountains. last stop, the Waikoropupup Springs. To get to the main attraction, you need to trek around 20 to 30 minutes. But don't worry, the trail is filled with beautiful sceneries and the trail is shaded so you don't worry about the heat.
Alright guys, so right now we are heading to Waikoropupup Springs. And right now we are doing the trekking, a small trek, going from the drop-off onto the springs itself. So the trail is not really that hard. It's full of trees, as you can see, and I think that helps because if you're going to a certain place and you're seeing a beautiful view, then trekking is much easier that way.
You can hear the relaxing sound of the water when getting near to the main spot. After a few minutes of trekking, you will be welcomed into a beautiful view of the spring. It is known as the cleanest freshwater spring in the whole world.
One thing that I can say that the view here is really majestic and it's breathtaking. You know, even you would go into a 20-minute or 30-minute walk, you wouldn't really mind off the time because the view is really relaxing. The sound of the water, as you can hear, it's really something that you should experience when you go here in New Zealand. And this place is really something that is worth traveling to.
And that's our trip to Golden Bay, New Zealand. There are more places to visit here, but for now, I hope that you had a great time with us. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Again, this is your Pinoy travel filmmaker. I'll see you guys on the next travel destination.